I have a dress your size. You should wear.
Are you out of your damn mind?
It was sewn by the finest designers in Outworld.
Why should I pray to you?
Why does a bird flap its wings?
I asked a simple question.
English, please, Cage.
Does Jax eat snacks by the tracks?
Jacks wax hacks across their backs.
Kombat.
All I understood from that was combat.
Then you understand enough.
My ma would have loved you, Cassie Cage.
Oh, sounds like you miss her bunches.
I hated Ma.
Writing's on the wall, Cetrion.
All goes according to Kronika's design.
So much for an all-knowing god.
Where is your fear?
Must have left it in my other pants.
We will find it.
No beard, so not evil, right? Fight me and find out. Okay. Now I'm thinking evil.
Your ass really 10,000 years old.
I'm old enough to have nothing left to prove.
So's Ma, and I ain't afraid of her neither.
What's cooking, good looking?
Ugh, no. Seriously?
Wait, what? Not what I meant.
In 7 days, I can make you a man.
A mortal man who can be killed.
I see you quiver with anticipation.
Now, why is it we ain't mates, Raiden?
Perhaps your life of sin and licentiousness.
Yeah, that could be it.
That ain't how it's said.
Whatever you say, Ron.
Gonna shoot off that 10-gallon mouth.
You just need a cop, a sailor, and a cowboy.
For what, Johnny Cage?
Only the greatest disco reboot ever. Of all the gin joints in all the towns.
Quit babbling, Earthrealmer.
You're not walking out of mine.
You are an Old West enthusiast.
Yeah, I'm your Huckleberry. What of it?
In 1881, Wyatt Earp shot me.
Shinnok was not yours to fight.
Why weren't you on the front lines?
I work in mysterious ways.
Are you some kind of ancient alien?
Ancient, yes. Alien, no.
Well, that's a bummer.
All I'm saying is it's brand confusion.
Devora is a mere bug.
But she is Scorpion adjacent.
You remind me of someone. A little on the nose, don't you think? Given the situation, no.
Your clan must have a home.
Our temple in Arctica.
It will be mine. We are both unique in the universe.
Being unique is nothing special.
Maybe not in your case, Scarlet.
Are you friend or foe? We are twins, Jade. That doesn't answer my question.
You and Castle play soldiers turned private eyes.
Working for you, our mysterious boss?
Say hello to Johnny's Angels.
Like Shinnok, you betrayed the Elder Gods.
We serve our mother, Raiden.
You are a triumvirate of evil.
Do you accept my challenge?
On my honor, I accept.
This is not a test of your honor.
You and me could make bank. Rack off, you budgie replica. Killing you will be a piece of piss.
Our clans must unite against evil.
Why?
I'll ask again after you cool down.
Your dead ancestors whisper.
With quiet pride, I'm sure.
They mock you, Kung Lao.
You heard the tale of the dead monk.
No, but I'm sure you'll tell me.
He was alive till he crossed Kano.
Give the hard-ass thing a rest.
Gonna beat you into the white meat shows.
What did I just say? Get ready, little lady.
For what, Black?
Hell is coming to breakfast.
I care not for your younger self.
I was a bit much, wasn't I?
How did you survive your youth? Your memories of the future include this?
We are in uncharted territory, Major.
Is that a good thing or not?
Is the Netherrealm wealthy?
It is rich in pain and suffering.
Truly valuable commodities.
face, I sense happiness.
It's about time I fought an elder god.
Not this one, Kun Lao.
Why aren't you a revenant?
Do I look dead to you?
Right. I gotta guess you first.
Life in jail is too slow.
The White Lotus can redeem you.
I'd rather live free or die hard.
You don't have the balls to kill me.
Don't need 'em, Captain Kangaroo.
Come on then, Sonya 2.
Why do you shield my revenant?
There's no virtue in vengeance.
Not vengeance, euthanasia.
Your parents traded you for freedom.
How did you know that?
Long have I prepared for this fight.
Fighting you is beneath me.
I can bloody hold me own.
You brought a knife to a hat fight.
With what face do you look at me? You do not recognize your own visage? I will retrieve what you have stolen.
Hey there, Elsa. What's up?
Ugh! Why does everyone call me that?
Oh, honey, let me help you.
People do not appreciate us. Are you suggesting we band together? That I prove my worth by killing you?